Welcome to Ambria College of Nursing. This is a tutorial on how to use Google Drive and Google Documents for use in various school projects, group projects, anytime that you can benefit from working together with other people online. So the first thing that we want to do is imagine we have an assignment, say on most famous nurses in history. So let's say that this assignment is a group project where you and a partner have to write up a report on a chosen figure in nursing history. So let's imagine that we are one person in the group. What we first want to do is sign into our Ambria account on the website. After you've signed in, on your My Ambria page, you are going to navigate to the webmail link on the top of the page. And this will bring you to your Ambria Gmail account. Now, you are most likely familiar with your Ambria Gmail account. You have your inbox, sent mail. You can see a summary of your messages here. What you want to do in order to get to Google Drive to start working on your project is click on this square. It will bring up certain other apps like calendar, sites, and groups. You want to click on Drive. This is Google Drive. This is your Google Drive page. And let's imagine that you've already started working on your project. Here it is, nursing project. But before we open that, I would like you to just notice a couple of other things about this page. Click on Create toward the left and look at the different things that you could possibly create by clicking here. There are documents, presentations, spreadsheets, forms, and even drawings that you can create here. You can see that I created a document called Nursing Project over here. And when you want to create a document, all you do is give it a title, and edit the text like a word processor. But let's go back to our main page. You'll see the document that I just created here. And why don't we go and open this nursing project document. Remember, we are doing a group project on famous figures in nursing history. And let's say that I've already started half of the project and my partner is supposed to add to this. The great thing about using Google Documents in Google Drive is it eliminates the need for you to meet physically with a partner. Let's say my partner is in a completely different location, 20 miles away. This partner can still collaborate with me on this document, and I'll show you how. Let's visit our partner first. Here's the other person, Florence.nurse.nightingale. This is my partner in class. What I want to do is share with my partner this document. How do I do so? Well, click on the share button in the upper right hand corner and then type the email address of the person you want to share the document with. Once you've done that, click Done. And also notice that there are other options. You can limit the person to only view, only comment, or edit. let's keep it on the settings that it was already at. Can edit. Click Save Changes and Done. And so after having shared this document, your partner now sees an email saying that you want to share a project with them. See, the same title of the document. They can get to this in one of two ways. Your partner can click this link and it'll open them right to the document. So this is your partner's view of the document you created. If you observe this orange cursor here, that is your cursor. Your partner's cursor is blinking up here. This orange N icon here indicates that you are also on this document, and there's actually a chat box that both of you can use to communicate with one another. But let me show you a different way to get to this document if you're the partner. Go right to your Google Drive. Remember the square icon in the top right corner? Anyone who has Gmail can see this. Click on Drive. Now, you're not going to be able to see the document that was shared with you in your Drive unless you click Shared with Me. And now your partner can see the document. So whenever you share a document with others, make sure you tell them it is in the Shared with Me area. Now, if you see, I just dragged this document from Shared with Me to my Drive, and now it's on my main page in my Drive. Okay, let's go back, and if you can see, both people are sharing this document. Here's your copy, and here's your partner's copy. So let's say on my copy I can type some extra information. And if you see, it appears on my partner's at the same time. Likewise, your partner can type and it appears on your copy. Two people editing one document at the same time. In fact, 3, 4, 5, or even a dozen people can be editing one project at the same time. Not only that, but your partner can chat with you. And the chat will appear on your side and you can reply. So not only can you work on the same document together, but you can also chat with one another. Now let's say your partner accidentally deletes everything and saves it. Normally, this would mean that you have nothing left. Normally, this would mean you have to start all over. Not so. In Google Documents, simply go to File, see Revision History, and this is a history of all the changes that have been made. Here's the time when your partner deleted everything. All you have to do is revert to an earlier version and click Restore this revision. So you see, nothing can be lost, and your partner's copy is restored too. So this is just a quick tutorial on how you can use Google Docs within Google Drive to work collaboratively, that is with a partner, on various projects in your nursing classes. I hope this was helpful. There are going to be more tutorials to come. If you have any questions, please send them to me at ian.turner@ambria.edu.